भाई दोबारा इसके साथ कौन आएगा यार राइड पे, सीरियसली। इससे अच्छा जहन्नुम में मतलब अपने आप को पत्थर बांधो और डुबा दो कहीं पे, बिकॉज दिस इज व्हाट ही डज।
Bring it on, baby. Now we're gonna have the hell of a ride. I didn't know that this is gonna happen. अगर मुझे पहले पता होता मेरी किडनी हलक में आ जाएगी, so I would have not been with him. But ये तो सुनता नहीं है। Oh guys, बचाओ।
So guys, welcome to channel Kashmir. Today we have done something different. It's not about travel, it's not about food, it's not about social activities of Kashmir. It's about मेरे भाई की bike. So Mr. Abbas Mirza has purchased Jawa bike. So it's impressive. I like it. Let's ask him why did he purchase such kind of a classic. आकर्षक सुंदर bike और उस पर एक smart handsome मेरा bike. So welcome to channel Abbas भाई. First and foremost, what was purchasing Jawa for you, man? Like, what was it?
It was a dream come true. It was my dream to purchase a bike, cruiser bike. Mostly people go for Royal Enfield. Even I was thinking to go for Royal Enfield. But then I saw this, the beauty.
प्यार हो गया.
So, पहले yes, love at first sight.
So love at first sight.
बिल्कुल.
So that was beautiful, man. You're looking different. Like, if I can make the people see this bike. So I do not know the futures. The one which I know, I'll let you know. But Abbas भाई बताएंगे कुछ खास इस बारे में. Like, Java कैसे दिमाग में आएगा? Why did you? How come you thought about Java? Like Enfield है, other models है, Yamaha है, and there are a number of companies.
Yes.
But why Java? Like,
Most of you guys must have heard about it, Java. Most of you must.
It's
know
just the
about
stuff,
it.
like old
Yeah.
stuff.
It was founded in late 1929 in Prague, Czech Republic.
Shake.
So
भैया international brand है भाई.
yes. Then it was brought in India in 1960 under the brand name Idol Java. Then they were exporting the bikes here as a Java. Then they exported it in the brand name Yazdi. Most of you guys have heard about it, Yazdi.
Yep.
Yazdi
को कौन बोल सकता है bro?
Right. So Yazdi was also a brand of Java.
Right. So any specifications which you love in this bike?
Yes. Firstly, you must see the looks.
I can see the bike is look. And what about this, man? ये कहाँ से purchase किया भाई? Tell me about this, man. Tell me about this. So what is this helmet all about, man? ये कुछ ज़बरदस्त है. Like इसका material, man. What is this?
Vardanch.
Vardanche.
Yes.
What is this brand, man?
It's a brand. I just got to know about it from the Instagram.
Instagram.
And I saw this. It was perfect for my bike. So I got it.
सही है. आज करो भाई. So guys, this is amazing.
So guys, let's start with a round trip. So we're gonna go for a long ride now, and after that we'll come back. This is the way this bike sounds. Perfect combination of metal and that kind of an like अलग ही look and beautiful locations of Kashmir was the perfect match on. किस रास्ते से गुजर रहे थे हम? You can see that. और ये भैया रुकने का नाम नहीं ले रहे थे. आप भैया रुक जा मेरे भाई, रुक तो जा. Stop it man. अब मुझे सीरियसली डर लग रहा है, बट क्या करूँ? जब तक व्लॉग पूरा नहीं होता बर्दाश्त करना पड़ेगा.
Oh, finally guys, we're done. We have taken the portions of the shoot. अब्बास मियाँ बहुत बुरी हालत कर चुके हैं मेरी. घर से लेके अभी तक जान हथेली में लेके निकला हूँ मैं. Keep pressing the bell icon, subscribe our channel. अब्बास भाई कहेंगे bye bye. नमस्ते. सत श्री अकाल.
Press the bell icon.
Ciao.